Denver, Colorado, USA, October 1, 2019. People who struggle to lose weight now have an easier, scientifically proven option for breaking the weight gain cycle and shedding unwanted pounds, Leptitox. Sonia Rhodes just announced the release of a brand new weight loss product. It is set for worldwide distribution as of October 2019 and is looking to change the dieting industry. Based on science-backed research on the underestimated and previously shrouded subject of leptin resistance, the all-natural supplements feature powerful herbs, select vitamins and amino acids to arm the body with the ability to fight and reverse leptin resistance, the cause of weight gain and obesity. Before we understood the role of leptin resistance in obesity and the inability to lose weight, we had no other choice but to attack body fat in all the wrong ways, says Sonia Rhodes, co-founder of Leptitox. With the discovery of leptin, and the phenomenon of leptin resistance, we finally know the right way to target the obesity epidemic we're facing. And that's what we've done with the Leptitox supplements, combined our awareness of leptin resistance with the desperation and despair people feel around their inability to lose weight when they're doing everything they can. Determined to end the heartache of those who are overweight, and who don't know how to combat it, Sonia Rhodes has taken it on herself to manufacture a product, Leptitox, which addresses the problem of leptin resistance as well as the initiating, underlying cause, breaking the weight gain cycle once and for all. As Sonia explains, it was important that we do not just treat the symptoms of weight gain, thereby managing the issue, but that we zero in on the actual cause. We weren't looking for superficial results, leaving people confused and feeding into the yo-yo trajectory diets are known for. Without addressing the cause, we knew it wouldn't be enough to really help people, and that was our mission. Like for more videos. According to the extensive research Sonia Rhodes stands behind, leptin resistance stems from a source few people would acknowledge as a risk. This is why, according to Rhodes, the obesity epidemic has been able to spread as much as it has. We have blamed the wrong things and allowed the real cause to remain a normal staple of our lives. This is how any problem proliferates, by not being stopped early on. Sonia Rhodes continues, clearly passionate about the subject. We didn't nip the problem in the bud when we saw the initial spike of obesity, and by that point, it was too late anyway. If we had known what was making people gain weight, we could have done something, but all we can do now is reverse it. Thankfully, that is what our supplements do. It's not too late if we target the right things. Ideal for anyone who has struggled with seemingly stubborn and unresponsive body fat, Leptitox attacks weight gain from the one place overlooked in the health industry. Not only does it promote healthy weight loss, it helps curb hunger and detoxes the cause of leptin resistance right out of the body. Rhodes has created a product suitable for anyone who is tired of doing their best and seeing no results, and even better, the product itself is safe, all-natural, and suitable for a wide range of people, with a no-risk 60-day money-back guarantee. Leptitox supplements are currently available, having just been released to the public in the early fall. Purchasing the supplements also provides people with material created to inform the public of the true cause of their inability to lose weight, as well as providing the solution so they can easily adjust their lifestyle to make permanent changes. For Rhodes, this is just the beginning. Her purpose is to broadcast the reality of leptin resistance and it's a solution, Leptitox, to the world, and really make a difference in the lives of people who have lost hope. Click link in description to learn more. Subscribe now.